Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sindhu. In our previous videos, we explored the abroad opportunities available for medical and psychiatric social work and community development specializations under MSW. Today, we are looking at another popular specialization that many students are curious about: human resource management. Can an MSW HR graduate build a successful career abroad? Is there any licensing process like social work? What qualifications, skills, and certifications are valued by employers in countries like US and UK? In this video, we will answer all these questions as we explore the job scope, eligibility requirements, English proficiency test, career path, and step-by-step process for MSW HR graduates who are planning to work abroad. So if you are an HR specialization student dreaming of an international career, this video is for you. Let's get started. Welcome to Learn with Dr. Sindhu. Human resource management is a corporate field, not a social work licensing field. MSW HR graduates can work in industries like IT companies, hospitals, manufacturing firms, NGOs, and multinational companies. Your roles include recruitment, employee relations, training and development, payroll management, and organizational development. In countries like US, UK, HR is a high demand corporate function. This is very important for HR careers abroad. There is no licensing exam. You do not need ASWB or Social Work England licensing. However, HR professionals may benefit from certifications like CIPD in UK, Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development, SHRM in USA, Society for Human Resource Management. But these are optional career certifications, not mandatory licenses. Pathway is simple. First, complete MSW with HR specialization. Second, gain HR or administrative experience in companies or organizations. Third, build communication and corporate skills. Fourth, optionally complete certifications like CIPD or SHRM. Fifth, apply for HR roles in multinational companies through job portals or internal transfers. Finally, secure a job offer and apply for work visa or sponsorship depending on the country. As we conclude this series, we have explored the abroad opportunities available for medical and psychiatric social work, community development, and human resource management specializations. Each specialization had unique or different career path, but success abroad depends on understanding the right eligibility requirements, gaining relevant experience, developing strong communication skills, and stay informed about country-specific processes. If you missed any of the previous videos, make sure to watch them for a complete understanding of MSW career pathways abroad. If this series helped you, share it with your friends and fellow MSW students, and let me know in the comments what topic you would like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video in Learn with Dr. Sindhu.